Artist Wayne here. Actually, that's not me. That's my mate Chris the Desert Racer and Action Amy the Pocket Rocket. Chris the Desert Racer helping to catch the action with Tommy Boy. Also catching the action today was Big Chris Lilypad as he passes Big Mac Daddy Mick. Blaney was here but not for long. He had a little off and may have broken a finger. And on this beautiful and spectacular day we were rampaging through the wild Watagans State Forest of New South Wales, Australia. Today I'll be your host and commentator, Artist Wayne. But don't worry, I'll show no bias towards any one rider. Holy shit, look at this guy. You can tell he's got the goods, and it looks like he's riding a Yamaha WR250R. That kind of bike takes a combination of balls and skill, as we ride on board with Big Chris on his Yamaha 450, and 5-time Fink legend Chris the Desert Racer on his big 500 Husky. Today the boys and I will catch all the action and more. Mac Daddy Mick, aka Smithy, will certainly tire himself out today if he keeps manhandling that big 450 of his.
Get out of the way!
Tommy Boy around the outside on his plug fouling Sherco. Like Big Mick's manhandling that 450 again. And I also noticed he frequently runs into trees.
Nice. Give the fans what they want to see. Oh, nice!
On board with Chris the Desert Racer. It's like watching Graham Jarvis riding Romaniacs. Except Graham Jarvis wouldn't do that.
Thank you, sir. Fuck it.
down into the deep, dark depths of another leech-infested valley trail. Chris the Desert Racer, first spot to arrive here, checking how deep the mud is. Big Chris making a big hole. It appears Action Amy is well and truly stuck in the hole that Big Chris created.
Go. That's it. Bit more. That's it. You should be able to get that out there now. Go.
Big Mick hitting more trees. We are now at Beach Hill. down for some more fun.
Well, that'll look good.
Chris the Desert Racer, aka Jelly Legs Jones, makes it look so easy.
Oh, you had it.
You know what they say, boys and girls, practice makes perfect. An hour later, and it was only Chris the Desert Racer and I, as we rode every single trail and made our way over towards Sphincter Pucker Hill. I was now taking over from Big Mick and hitting trees. Good old Sphincter Pucker Hill, or Whiteman's Lane to the uninitiated. A few of the gang and I will be riding up this soon. That should make a fun day. And we're also planning to hit the knoll before it gets too hot. So many rides to do with so little time. Another top ride on another fantastic day out. Thanks Chris the Desert Racer and Big Chris Lillipad for sharing your video footage with us all. I'm Artist Wayne Dowson and thanks for watching everyone.